Alright, so welcome to Wild Cooking, and this time around we are microwaving some yellow perch, some fish in the microwave. Pretty tasty, something different that I haven't really even done, so it's kind of new to me. So yeah, let's get to it and see how it goes, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be tasting pretty good. The recipe I got is showing you need some type of little heating rack, plastic heating rack, and then that you can, I've seen a couple videos on YouTube that you can add whatever ingredients, like I added some pepper and parsley. This is yellow perch that we're cooking up here, and then when you put the plastic wrap on there, they say leave a hole for the steam to escape, so we're doing that, and that we put it in there for a while and let it cook, and then we're supposed to come and check it, so we'll do that. Let's get it in there and get it going here. Alright, so it's been 3 minutes in the microwave on level 50% for the microwave level. And you can see that stuff just cooking great, actually. But it said we need to check it, so we're checking it and all that. We have to flip it, check it. So I'm gonna get to flipping it and put it back in the microwave here. Flip the fish to the other side now. Make sure the wrapping is all good again here, and a little hole for the steam and heat to come out. Put it back in the microwave for a couple more minutes, and I guess it should be ready to eat. Pretty simple so far. I guess it's done. This stuff, and I'll put it in the bowl and eat it. About 6 to 5 minutes is what I had it for on my microwave here. So there we go. Well, there it is. I guess it's done. Tastes pretty good. I already had one little bite to make sure. Really good. Alright, I'm gonna finish eating this up, and alright. Pretty good. I'm gonna finish it up and we'll see y'all later. Microwaved fish.